In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Slack desktop application in Ubuntu Linux. If you want a simple and reliable way to get Slack running on your Ubuntu system, using Snap through the terminal is one of the easiest methods available. It works well because Ubuntu already supports Snap, and it also helps manage updates in the background, so your Slack app can stay current with less manual effort. To get started, the first thing you should do is update your system package index. This is an important preparation step because it makes sure your local software information is current before you install anything new. Even though Slack will be installed with Snap, it's still a good habit to begin by refreshing your system's package information. Open your terminal window by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut quickly launches the terminal in Ubuntu, and it's one of the fastest ways to begin any command line task. Once the terminal is open, type the following command exactly as shown, then press Enter. Sudo apt update. This command tells Ubuntu to refresh its list of available software packages from the configured repositories. You may be prompted to enter your system password after running the command. When you type your password in the terminal, you won't see characters appearing on the screen, and that's completely normal in Linux. Just type it carefully and press Enter. After that, give the system a moment to complete the update process. Depending on your internet connection and system configuration, it may finish very quickly or take a little longer. What you're looking for is for the command to finish without errors and return you to the command prompt. If you do see messages about packages being updated or repository information being fetched, that usually means the command is doing exactly what it should. This step doesn't install Slack yet, but it prepares your system so the installation process can go more smoothly. A helpful tip here is to make sure your internet connection is active before running the command, since Ubuntu needs to contact software repositories online to refresh the package lists. If the process seems slow, that's often just a network issue rather than a problem with the command itself. Once this update is complete, your Ubuntu system is ready for the next stage of installing Slack through Snap. Taking a moment to do this first helps avoid unnecessary issues and ensures you're starting from a clean, up-to-date software state.